Hello and welcome to the SmartNets Whiteboard. My name is Armin Lau. I'm project manager and researcher at the DITF Denkendorf. And today I'm going to explain to you some of the results that we obtained in the SmartNets project. SmartNets is about supporting companies and networks in doing collaborative innovation together. So the key question that we had to answer at the beginning of the project is, how does collaborative innovation work? Well, the basic difference between regular innovation and collaborative innovation is that there are several actors involved. So we have actors as one key aspect, but actors means we have not only the company itself, but we also have the supplier, we have customers and their customers respectively, going up until the end user. We have service providers, which can be researchers, which can be machinery providers. And not to forget, we also have competitors, which can be involved in some point of time. In order to support collaborative innovation with several actors, we need to define a process which is describing the way from the idea to the final product. So we did that. We have a reference process in SmartNets. It consists of 5 phases. 1 being the idea phase, 5 being the production phase. And each of the phases we have elements of planning included, then the execution, which means, for example, the prototyping, and phases of control, where we check if we have reached the objective of the respective phase. So we have a defined process and we have defined actors, but we also need some things that really support the companies in doing their innovation, and that's the methods. Well, the methods, they can be seen as a kind of toolbox supporting the innovation process. So they are supporting the creativity, supporting, for example, problem statement or the analysis, but can also be helpful in problem solving, for example. There are a lot more applications for methods in this field. We have 81 methods within the project. But going back to this model, to this triangular, there are connections between the 3 elements that I have just sketched. So there is a connection between the actors and the process, between process and methods, and also, of course, between the actors and the methods. Meaning, when we think about the process and asking when to involve an actor, that is basically exactly this line. So we're asking who, and we're asking when to involve a particular actor in the process. The same for the methods. We're asking how can we do or support some things, and we're asking when in the process is this appropriate. There is also the connection between the actors and the methods, asking really who should I involve at which point of time for doing what. So we put here who and what. So this basic structure is already the beginning of the SmartNets project. It's the first result. It is called the SmartNet Collaboration Model. And as you will see, this is really the basis for all the work that we're going to do in the future and that we're going to present. So this is the SmartNet Collaboration Model.